The Peach Boy. Once upon a time, there was an elderly couple who had no children. One day the wife was washing her clothes in the river when a huge peach came floating down from upstream. The woman brought the peach home and cut it up. They were so surprised when a baby boy came right out of the peach. They raised him with love and care. Peach Boy grew up into a good boy. One day, he told the old couple that he was going to Ogre Island to defeat all the ogres and demons. So Granny made some millet mochi balls, called kibidango, for Peach Boy to take with him. As Peach Boy walked toward Ogre Island, a dog approached him and said, "Hi, may I have one of your mochi balls?" "You may, if you come with me to fight the ogres," said Momotaro. And so the dog joined his company. In the same way, a pheasant and a monkey also joined Momotaro's company. So, Momotaro, with the dog, pheasant, and monkey, crossed over to Ogre Island, where they defeated many demons. The ogres surrendered and begged for mercy, offering many treasures to Momotaro. Momotaro brought the treasures home, where the old couple was waiting, and they lived happily together from that day. The end.